Oh my God, Alex, I need your help right now.
Mia, what's wrong? You look upset.
My manager just called me into his office.
Okay, why?
He said someone complained that I was rude in yesterday's meeting.
Rude? You're one of the nicest people I know.
I know, I was so polite. I said please and thank you the whole time.
What exactly did you say?
Well, my colleague suggested a bad idea, so I said, "You're wrong."
Oh, no.
What? He was wrong. The numbers didn't add up.
Mia, in English, saying you're wrong is very direct and sounds rude.
But it's true. I was just being honest.
I know, but in English-speaking cultures, we soften disagreements. We don't say directly you're wrong.
So, what should I have said?
That's exactly what we're talking about today. Hello, everyone. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia, and apparently I've been accidentally rude for months.
Today, we're talking about English phrases that sound rude even when you don't mean to be rude.
This is so important. I thought I was being polite.
You're not alone. This happens to English learners all the time. Before we start, please like and share this with your friends who also want to learn English in an easy, fun, and smart way.
Subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. We upload every single day.
All right, Mia, let's save your job. Let's talk about what you should have said.
Please, I'm so embarrassed.
Okay, first, the phrase you used, you're wrong. In English, this sounds very aggressive and accusatory.
Accusatory?
Yes, like you're attacking the person, not just disagreeing with the idea.
Oh no, I didn't mean to attack him. I just meant his numbers were incorrect.
I know, but here's what you should say instead. Instead of you're wrong, say I see it differently or I have a different perspective.
I see it differently. That's much softer.
Yes. Or you can say, I'm not sure I agree, or I think there might be another way to look at this.
Those are so much more polite.
Exactly. You're disagreeing with the idea, not attacking the person. Big difference.
I wish I knew this yesterday. What other phrases sound rude?
Oh, there are many. Let's go through them one by one. Ready?
Ready.
All right. Number 2, saying what when you don't hear something.
Wait, what is rude? I say that all the time.
I know you do. And every time, people probably think you're annoyed.
Oh no, I'm not annoyed. I just didn't hear them.
I understand, but in English, what sounds impatient and irritated, especially with a certain tone.
So what should I say?
Say, sorry, could you repeat that? Or, pardon me, or, I didn't quite catch that.
I didn't quite catch that. I like that one.
It's polite and shows you're interested in what they're saying.
Much better than what?
Exactly. That sounds angry.
What's number 3?
Number 3, using I want too much.
I want? What's wrong with that?
It's not wrong, but is very direct. In English, we soften requests.
How?
Instead of I want a coffee, say I'd like a coffee, please, or could I have a coffee?
Oh, I'd like is softer than I want.
Much softer. I want sounds demanding, like a child. I'd like sounds polite and adult.
Give me more examples.
Instead of I want to leave early, say I'd like to leave early if that's okay. Or would it be possible to leave early?
Ah, adding if that's okay makes it a request, not a demand.
Exactly. You're learning fast.
What's next? I'm taking notes here.
Number 5, asking why when someone tells you something.
Why is rude too?
It can be. It depends on your tone, but often why sounds like you're challenging someone or you don't believe them.
Really? I just want to understand.
I know, but it can sound aggressive. Instead, say, how come? Or what's the reason? Or can you help me understand?
How come is more casual.
Yes, much friendlier. Or say, I'm curious, what made you decide that?
That sounds so much nicer.
Right. You're showing genuine interest, not challenging them.
This is so helpful. What's number 5?
Number 5, saying I don't care when choosing between options.
Oh, I say this all the time. Like, which restaurant? I don't care.
Yes, and it sounds like you're annoyed or that the choice doesn't matter.
But I really don't mind. I'm being flexible.
I know, but I don't care sounds negative. Instead, say I'm happy with either, or it's up to you, or either works for me.
Either works for me. That sounds positive.
Much better. You're showing you're easygoing, not that you don't care.
These are such small changes, but they make such a big difference.
That's the key to polite English. Small words, big impact.
What's number 6?
Number 6, using direct commands instead of polite requests.
Commands? Like what?
Like, send me the report, or call me tomorrow, or give me that pen.
Those sound normal to me.
They're grammatically correct, but they sound like orders, like a boss commanding an employee.
Oh, how do I make them polite?
Add could you or would you mind at the beginning. Could you send me the report? Or would you mind calling me tomorrow?
Ah, turning it into a question makes it a request.
Exactly. Or add please. Please send me the report when you have time.
When you have time is nice too. It shows I respect their schedule.
Yes, these little additions show respect and politeness.
I'm learning so much. Are there more?
Oh yes, let's keep going.
What's number 7?
Number 7, saying no without any softening.
Just no? That's rude?
In many situations, yes, a flat no can sound harsh and unfriendly.
So I should never say no?
You can say no, but soften it. Say, I'm afraid not, or unfortunately no, or I wish I could, but I can't.
Give me an example.
Someone asks, can you work this weekend? Don't just say no. Say, I'm afraid I can't. I have family plans. Or, I wish I could help, but I'm not available.
That explains why and sounds apologetic.
Exactly. You're still saying no, but kindly.
What if someone offers me food I don't want?
Great question. Don't say, no, I don't want it. Say, no, thank you, I'm full. Or, that looks delicious, but I can't eat any more.
Compliment it first, then decline.
Yes, it shows appreciation even when refusing.
Smart. What's number 8?
Number 8, interrupting with but immediately.
But? How is that rude?
When someone's talking and you jump in with but, it sounds like you're dismissing what they said.
Oh, I do this. They say something, I say, but actually.
I know. Instead, first acknowledge what they said, then add your point.
How?
Say, that's a good point, and I also think, or I understand that, and at the same time, or you're right, and we should also consider.
So I validate their point first.
Exactly. You're building on their idea, not knocking it down.
This is like relationship advice.
It is. Communication is communication.
What's number 9?
Number 9, ending conversations too abruptly.
What do you mean?
Like when you finish talking and just say, okay, bye, and walk away.
I might do that.
It's okay. But in English culture, we usually add a softening phrase first.
Like what?
Well, I should get going, or I won't keep you any longer, or it was lovely talking to you.
Ah, signal that the conversation is ending, don't just end it suddenly.
Yes, give them a warning. Then, thanks for the chat. Talk soon. Sounds much friendlier than just bye.
That makes sense. I've noticed people do that, but I didn't know why.
Now you know. What's our last one, number 10?
Yes, tell me.
Number 10, being too honest too quickly.
Too honest? Isn't honesty good?
Honesty is good, but in English-speaking cultures, we value tact. We soften negative truths.
Give me an example.
Your friend shows you her new haircut. You don't like it. Don't say, I don't like it, or it looks bad.
Oh no, what do I say?
Say, it's different, or that's bold, or how do you feel about it?
That's so diplomatic.
Yes, or give a specific positive. The color is nice, even if you don't like the cut.
Find something positive to say.
Exactly. In professional settings too, if your colleague's presentation wasn't good, don't say that was bad.
What should I say?
I think it needs some work, or have you considered, or maybe we could strengthen the data section.
Focus on improvement, not criticism.
Perfect, you've got it.
Alex, this is so helpful. I feel like I've been accidentally offending people for months.
Don't feel bad. This is not obvious to non-native speakers. Different cultures have different communication styles.
In my culture, being direct is honest and respectful.
I know, and that's not wrong, but in English-speaking cultures, especially British and American, we value indirectness and softening.
It's like a whole hidden language within the language.
Yes, that's a great way to put it.
Can you give me one final tip, like a general rule?
Sure, here's the golden rule. In English, we often say 3 sentences when one would do.
3 sentences?
Yes, sentence 1, acknowledge. Sentence 2, soften. Sentence 3, your point.
Can you show me?
Instead of, no, I can't help you, say, thank you for thinking of me. Acknowledge, I wish I could help, soften, but I'm really swamped right now. Your point.
Oh, wow. That's so much nicer, but it means the same thing.
Exactly. It's not about lying, it's about being kind while being honest.
It's like adding cushions around your message.
A perfect analogy. Cushion your message.
I'm going to practice all of these. Tomorrow at work, I'm going to be so polite.
You already are polite. Now you're just learning to sound polite in English.
Thank you, Alex. You might have saved my job.
Anytime. And everyone watching, remember, if you accidentally sounded rude in the past, don't worry, it happens to everyone.
Yes, we're all learning. The important thing is to keep trying.
Exactly. And native English speakers will appreciate that you're making an effort.
Okay, everyone, that's everything for today.
We hope this helps you sound more polite and professional in English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and share with your friends who also want to learn English.
Subscribe to LearnFlow English. We release new episodes every single day.
Tell us in the comments, have you ever accidentally sounded rude in English? What happened?
We want to hear your stories. We read every single comment.
And remember, you're not rude, you're just learning. Be kind to yourself.
Thank you so much for watching today.
See you tomorrow on LearnFlow English.
Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.